Hello, my name's Keith Kelly and I'm teaching the hands-on CLIL special course for teachers, which is going to take place at the St Joseph's Foundation in its new residential London campus. And what you can find on this 5-day program of CLIL is all the basics. We're going to have a look at a range of subjects for teachers teaching their content material through the medium of English. We're going to look at a range of activity types. We're going to explore language, and you'll find a mix of theoretical input along with lots of practical examples from the classroom and hands-on time for you to try out the ideas and techniques that you see so that you can perfect your own resources and take them home, try them out in class. It's from the 7th to the 13th of April 2019, and you can find more information and details on the Schools Education Gateway website or the St Joseph's Foundation website, which are on the screen now. Look forward to seeing you there.